Do you want to be able to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone? Well, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be to, of course, come to our TikTok app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. And now we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner, so click on the three lines. And in here we need to click where it says settings and privacy. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. What I need to do in here is to just simply scroll down in here and then click where it says reports a problem. So click on reports a problem in here. Then it's just going to load, so just wait a second. And as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here. I'm just going to scroll all the way down and click where it says submit a report. As you can see, it's all like way down below. It says submit a report, so just click there. And perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. So we need to write like this to TikTok support. We need to write, I am not able to follow anyone on my TikTok account. Please fix this for me, because this is a very important function for my TikTok user experience. So you need to write like this to TikTok. I am not able to follow anyone on my TikTok account. Please fix this for me, because this is a very important function for my TikTok user experience. And then click on submit when you're done. And hopefully just in like 1 to 2 business days, hopefully this will be solved for you. If it's not solved for you, then it could be that you basically are banned on TikTok right now, or at least you're action blocked on TikTok, because you have maybe like followed too many people very quickly, and that action blocks should also be removed in a couple of days, just so you know. But you can try this as well and see if that will work basically. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.